Best flat iron options on the market. This is the best flat iron for every type of hair need. Let's get into it. What makes a flat iron so unique from every other hair tool on the market? You have only 1 second to get the best results. And what I mean by that is a flat iron, you don't hold it in one spot like you do a curling iron. You have to keep going in one continuous motion to get the best results. And that's why you see so many different technologies available for different hair straighteners and flat irons. So in today's video, let's talk about the best flat irons on the market. The best overall flat iron, ionic 10X. Retails for $239 US. And what makes this one the best overall? They're vibrating plates. So what the vibrating plates do is it increases the surface area so that way every hair strand, when you go down in one continuous motion, they get the same amount of heat. So that means you're gonna get faster styling results. You're gonna get the very smooth, sleek, shiny results. There are 10 heat settings, which make it phenomenal for customization needs if you're a hairstylist or if you just want customized temperature settings for your own hair needs. It also has ceramic infused mineral plates. And this flat iron, ionic 10X, is great for every single hair type, every single hair need, whatever you want. It is worth every single penny, and to this day, it's my favorite flat iron. Let's move on to the next best flat iron. Best results flat iron. I have to give it to the Dyson Corrale. The biggest complaint with this flat iron, this hair straightener, is the price. It's a $500 flat iron, so it better perform. It gives you the optimal results with one single pass, thanks to its flexing plates. Again, this is the only flat iron in the market with flexing plates. And what that means, plates, they literally flex around your hair section when going down in one continuous motion. That way your results are consistent from the root to the end of your hair, each section that you straighten. I think the problem is with this flat iron, you have two caveats: price, and of course that it's cordless. I think the cordless option is phenomenal. If you've tried a flat iron or a hair tool without the cord, it is a game changer. But the problem is the battery life. It's very short if you have coarse, if you have thick or curly hair. So it's kind of like a pro and a con. You do have a charging station dock, so dock it every single time you're not using it. That way it will continuously charge the battery when you are using the flat iron. But in my opinion, those are the two caveats: the price and because it's cordless. There are 3 heat temperature settings from 330 up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So because they need efficiency in the plates to heat up as fast as possible, these are copper manganese alloy plates. So it's all about efficiency in this cordless Dyson Corrale flat iron. Best drugstore flat iron, the Conair, their Infiniti Pro titanium rainbow plates. Comes in right under $50, $49.99. And the reason why we think it's the best one at the drugstore, it's a straightforward straightener. It gives you the titanium coated plates. They're so smooth when they glide through your hair, which results with effortless, smooth, sleek results. Also great for universal styling, which means you can curl, you can wave your hair. And the one thing about it is it's straight to the point. You have the dial for the temperature settings, which offers, I think it has like 40 temperature settings, which is great to customize for your hair needs. It also just has the on-off button, so it's not very techy, but it is a phenomenal, straight to the point flat iron that delivers great results under $50. Another great option they have is they have an option for a wider plate. I think it's 1 3/4, so 1.75 inches. So great for thick and long hair. Can't go wrong. Best flat iron for fine hair. We're giving it to the GHD, their Platinum Plus flat iron. Retails for $279 US. So the reason why this flat iron by DHD is the best for fine hair or damaged hair, I will say because they have this heat monitoring circuit inside this little bad boy right here, which makes sure the temperature will always stay at the optimum 365 degrees Fahrenheit. It will never go above that. So I think that's phenomenal if you're conscious of how much heat you're placing on your hair, and especially for a flat iron because you do have that 1 second to get to the best result. Another feature that makes this flat iron so unique to the market is the wishbone design. So when you're curling or waving your hair and you have the plates clamped together, the wishbone at the bottom, it's not going to snag your hair. So that way you're going to get snag-free results. For example, if you're using a flat iron like this is the Conair, your hair can get snagged within this area right here when you're twisting your hair. But because this has nothing, it is completely seamless right here. inside, your hair just pulls right through. This is a phenomenal option for fine hair. Best hair straightener for thick hair. I'm gonna give it up to the Croc. This is the Classic Black Titanium 1.5 inch flat iron. They have many great options. They have the infrared. It comes in at a higher price tag, but this one specifically retails for $149 US. And the reason why I think this is a phenomenal option if you have thick or coarse hair, first of all, you have the wider plates. So a lot more real estate for your hair when it's within the plates, and also titanium plates. Very fast, very efficient, and the plates are going to glide effortlessly through your hair. There are 17 temperature options, which is phenomenal for thicker, coarse hair, because if you want to do faster results, I would do it at a higher temperature setting. And I think this is a phenomenal option. I think the only thing I will complain about the design of the Croc hair tools, they're not the prettiest. They look very rugged and they feel rugged. So if you're going to compare it to like the GHD or the T3, I think these are prettier. They're aesthetically more pleasing in my opinion for my eye. But these definitely, the Croc flat irons, they deliver, they perform, and they're great for salons. They're great for at-home use to get really phenomenal results. If you want a one and done hair straightener, this is for you. The Dyson Airstrait straightener. I have to mention it. This is the best wet to dry straightener. It comes in at $499.99. The one thing I will say this lacks is for those that have coarse hair, really thick hair, curly hair, like really curly hair. This won't do like a one and done type of a hairstyle. You will probably have to go use a flat iron or a curling iron afterwards, but it does a phenomenal job smoothing your hair from wet to dry and prepping your hair. So this Dyson Airstrait, it has two modes. You have a wet mode and then you have a dry refresh mode. In both modes, they have multiple heat settings. The wet mode provides 3 temperature settings, and then the dry mode, it has 2 temperature settings plus a boost option. So if you need that extra boost, you can turn it on. So what makes this really unique and different from other wet to dry styling tools, this has no plates. It just uses really powerful directional airflow to dry and straighten your hair all in one go. The one negative, besides the price tag, if you have very thick, very coarse, curly hair and you're thinking you're going to get the very sleek, straight results, you're not gonna get it. If you have the fine hair like myself, straighter, maybe wavier, a light wavy hair type, you will get a very smooth, sleek result. Personally, I don't have to use a flat iron or hair straightener after I use the Dyson Airstrait, just because the results are so phenomenal. Another thing to mention, the Dyson Airstrait, it is not a versatile hair tool like the other hair straighteners that I've mentioned. But go check out our website, milabubeautyreview.com, to see the comparisons between the GHD Duet, the Revlon Airstrait straightener, and so forth. And that completes this video of the best flat irons on the market for different hair type needs. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see the next one very soon.